Hi everyone, I'm super excited to get my paper pumpkin this month. Just came in the mail. I have to admit I've seen a little picture. I saw a little picture on another site that I go to, so I have an idea. Oh, and I wanted to tell you, I knew this too. Next month, which would be order by the 10th of September, and you will get a Halloween kit. And the Halloween kit seems like it's going to be little treat holders of some kind, because it said something on another place I saw. It said no tricks, just treats, which gave me the idea that it might be treats for September. So subscribe by September 10th to get the Halloween kit, and I'm looking forward to it. I've already upped my subscription. Did you know you could do that? You can always up your subscription to get 2 boxes. Anyway, I've already done that to get, I forget how many I'm getting. Anyway, let's take a look. Stampin' Spot Blackberry Bliss. That is awesome. I love the spot. I want to look at this closer too, but let's see it first. Okay, that's what I thought. Beautiful flower backgrounds in a watercolor look. So you know I like it because I like anything watercolor. And look at these envelopes. Let's open this up. Very pretty baker's twine. Might be Flirty Flamingo with some silver accents. Some puffies, I call it dimensionals. Look at these envelopes, how pretty, with the silver foil and some speckle inside. Looks like some kind of green. It might be old olive. So the cards are already pre-printed with some beautiful floral designs. Look at those. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. And then 4 of this one. Look how pretty. And then we've got some labels to stamp on, large and small, some glue dots. You know, I said 4 and I kind of think there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 cards in this kit. Let's see what these things are. It looks like green printed vellum, perhaps. Ooh, look at these cutouts. Really pretty leaf cutouts on vellum. Oh, and there's green vellum and also some traditional vellum. Really pretty. Now let's take a look at this stamp set. This is what I want to know what it is, because I don't know what this is. Thinking of you. Thank you. Congratulations. There's a few florals that kind of go with this look. Looks like a little watercolor floral, and you can add some centers. You make me so happy. The loss is immeasurable, but so is the love left behind. So a kind of a sympathy card, and that is nice. I don't have a lot of things to put on the inside of a sympathy card, or even this can go on the outside. This is a great stamp set. The one thing I really like about Paper Pumpkin are the stamp sets, because they are exclusive to the kits. They are always so different than when you find in the catalog. There's a lot of nice sentiments, nice size sentiments, and I always hang on to these. There's some great Christmas one and Halloween and Thanksgiving. There's been some really great sentiments, so you can hang on to. You're going to use up everything in the box to make the cards, but then you're left with, you know, your ink and your stamps, and these are going to make a great addition to your collection, I think. And I just always love the stamp sets. Not huge, so you know, if you don't have a lot of things at home and you just want a little bit of everything, throughout the months you're going to get a little bit of everything. You're going to end up with some birthdays, some Halloween, some Christmas, some sympathy, thank you, birthday, baby, who knows. You're going to get some really good stamps for your stamping collection. These are always great to add. So anyway, that is the kit. This is beautiful. Look at that. Where's my picture? Let me see. What did I do with it? Did I put it aside? There it is. Okay. Oh, so some of the envelopes are going to have green and some of them are going to have that really pretty pink. Look at the card when it's finished. You've got the little twine coming out from behind. So there's some, you can't see this small picture, but there's a little vellum leaf coming out from behind the sentiments. Really pretty kit. So this is the September kit. I'm sorry, it's the August kit. So you had to have already subscribed to get this one. This one's already gone out. If you missed it and you wished you had gotten it, please feel free to send me an email. I always order extra because I bring them to my classes. But if you want one, let me know. I can grab one for you. And don't forget to sign up by September 10th in order to get the Halloween kit. And you know what? You should sign up for at least a 3 or a 6 month or more subscription, because this is the time to do it, because we've got Halloween for September. And then the October kit is usually fall, and the fall ones are always pretty, in my opinion. They tend to have leaves and things like that. I don't know what it's going to be, but I do think that the fall one is always beautiful. And then after that, we jump right into the holidays and Christmas, and I've always liked the Christmas ones too. So I think that you should definitely, this is the season to sign up, I think. I just love the Christmas kits, and the Halloween one is always great. I always use the little treat holders. So that is this, look at how pretty, this month's paper pumpkin. Thanks for watching.